Holy sugar plums. Hello there, ma'am. Anything I can plow for you? Ho, ho, ho.
Whew. She's having a Merry Christmas. It's a 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked.
Snow rig with your plow so bright. Won't you guide my run tonight? Just another fat guy on his sleigh with a big sack. Well, Christmas morning, boys. There's a layer of ice. Look at this window. Iced right over, eh? God, no! Oh, so much kung fu. Well, boys, it's Christmas morning. Out doing a little salt run. We had some major freezing rain last night. Still got the candy canes on. Look at this, though. Oh, grab yourself a good solid looky-do on this right here, boys. Just taking this small clip here to show you how a car creamed off the road path and turned that sign into a Mexican tostada. But then I noticed somebody must have pissed off the plowboy at this spot. That Volkswagen's in behind an 8-foot snowbank. They called me up and said, "You willing to push that back into the back?" No other plowboys are willing to push these banks back into the sticks, boys. They're getting so much snow built up here, they couldn't get trucks in that loading dock. No other company was willing to push it back in there. They said, "You willing to put it back in the sticks?" I said, "Hell yeah, brother. Ain't nothing my equipment can't handle." Come on, boys, quit being so light duty. Let's get these jobs done. Job security, boys. Come on.